So there on that table, Adi suddenly says, "Aikana, bori biryani kutte mile." So I told him these 2-3 places where you can go and have bori food. Then I told him, listen, if you're really fond of bori food, I'll take you to Udaipur. आपण सकाळची फ्लाइट घ्यायची, उदयपूरमध्ये जेवायचं, संध्याकाळची फ्लाइट घेऊन रिटर्न. आहे. So there is this another very close friend called Munaf. He runs Bori kitchen. His mother cooks.
त्याची आई माझी बायको.
That's also very nice. Yes, also very nice.